Hello, my friends. Welcome back to week 4 of distant learning. This week we are going to be learning about time to the half hour. Time to the half hour. If you remember, the time starts with our hour is our shorthand, right? Our shorthand is the hour hand. And then our longhand is going to be our minute hand. Shorthand is hour hand, longhand is the minute hand. And it's important to tell time so that we can follow a schedule, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. When I say teach okay, tell your electronic device what we're going to be learning about this week. Teach. Okay. Very good. Good job, my friends. So let's get started. All about time. This is the analog, this is the digital. Analog, digital. The two types of clocks that we're going to be talking about. The analog clock is going to have all of your numbers around, and then the digital clock is just going to say the time. Like we said before, mirrors with words. The shorthand is your hour hand. The minute hand is your long hand. Shorthand, hour hand, minute hand, long hand. Very good. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 minutes in an hour and 30 minutes in a half hour, or we say half past the hour. Okay, that's going to be important because that's going to be on the test again. So, shorthand, hour hand, minute hand is the long hand. 60 minutes in an hour, 30 minutes in a half hour. When I say teach it okay, tell your electronic device what we just talked about. Teach. Okay. Very good. Okay, now we have on a digital clock, we say o'clock when we see colon 00. Colon 00 is on a digital clock. Half past the hour, we're going to write it using a 3 and a 0, the number 30 afterwards. So this time up here is 3 o'clock because the minute hand is not on the 6. Very good. When the hour hand is between two numbers, it is the half hour. So the shorthand is on the 3, the long hand, the minute hand is on the 12, so that's not past. Take a look at this clock. What time is it? What time is it? 7 o'clock. Way to go. It is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, hour hand, minute hand. Point to your hour hand. Very good. Point to your minute hand. Very good. And how do we say it? 7 o'clock. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, look right here. This is what I was talking about. It's in between the two numbers. In between the two numbers. So the 11, is it 11 or is it 12? It's 11 what? 30. Our minutes we count by 5. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Do we say 1260? No, that would be a clock. So what time is it? What time is it? Say your hour hand first. 11. 11 what? 11:30. That is right. Or half past 11 because it's the halfway point of the hour. Half past 11. It is not 12 because it has not passed that number yet. Take a look at the next one. What time is this? Your hour hand, which is your shorthand, is between the 4 and the 5. So what time is it? 4. For what? 30. That's right. It is 4:30 or half past 4. Very good. Good job, my friends. Way to go. If you need me, you know where to find me.